Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a quick and easy tofu recipe. You dice up the tofu. I use the firm tofu and you brown it on the outside. And then you add some onion. I added half an onion as it was a really large onion. So again, however much you want. And you're going to want to put some olive oil in there. 1 or 2 splashes. Cook up the onion a bit, and I did sprinkle some garlic powder on it as well, but I don't know why I couldn't find that on video. Anyway, you add veggies. Today I'm choosing baby blend, the frozen. You can use fresh, whatever one you want. That's what I chose for this meal. And of course you want to stir that up good as well. So it's cooking and smoking since it's frozen. And I used the mango curry sauce in this. It's kind of sweet with a bit of a kick to it. So if you don't like spicy at all, even lower end spicy, you probably will want to use a different sauce. Again, sauce of your choice. Whatever you want to make it, but I really enjoyed this. First time I've had the mango curry. I enjoy tiki masala as well. Honey garlic, lots of different sauces. You can even make sauces, go to Pinterest, find whatever you want. So yeah, stir that up good, get it cooking. Yum. Can you smell it? And today I'm using brown basmati rice. I like the taste, it's healthier. Wait for it to cook. It's the instant rice in the microwave. Yeah. Here's Dude. Let's have a talk with him.
What's he doing? Hi. Did you eat? Was it good? Yeah. Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy?
Isn't it cute, guys? Okay, so the rice is ready. I put some in the bottom of the bowl and I add more veggies than I do rice. Peas are great for protein, by the way. So I hope you enjoyed this.